Alright guys, welcome back to the training. Okay guys, so you are in another sections of the training. Okay, so guys, in this section guys, I'll actually be telling you guys telling you how you can basically communicate with clients the right way. Okay, so when a client order your gig on Fiverr, how you can communicate with the client, because communication is also part of freelancing, because there are a lot of buyers out there that their communications skills is not enough, okay, to get them the job, though they may be good in whatever they are offering, okay, but their communication skills with the seller is not really very good. Okay, so I'll actually be showing you guys the communication that I have with some of my clients, okay, on Fiverr. So I'll be showing you the right way for you to communicate. So I'll be telling you where you can actually see all the message that if any client should message you on Fiverr, where you're going to go to see it. So of course it is pretty straightforward. You're just going to go to under message, but I'm going to show you how to communicate with clients in this module of these sections. Okay guys, so with that said, so let's just get right there. So now we are in one of my accounts, so which I actually have some communication with clients. I did not use that new account simply because we don't have any sales there yet. So I actually want to use this account that I don't really use much. So I'll actually be showing some communication as well with clients here. So I'll just go to my dashboard. Okay, I just want to go to my dashboard. Actually, I can go right from here. Okay, I'll just click on message. Let me just click on message. So click on message, then I'll go to inbox. So now whenever you receive an order on Fiverr, all the orders that you receive on Fiverr will be under message. If you have any notification, it will be under notification. If you have any message, maybe from a client in wherever, it will be under inbox. So I'll just click on inbox. So when I click on inbox, these are all the clients that have actually communicate with me. Actually, I get some of them out of Fiverr, so I can actually do the job for them, and then they pay me directly. Okay, so I don't, some of the time when I actually get a client on Fiverr like that, I make sure I build a relationship with them, because I know it's gonna be a long payment. Okay, so when I actually get them on Fiverr, so I take them out of Fiverr and then they pay me directly. I can take them to my Skype, so we communicate direct, so we can have a live call and everything. So I'll do the job for them, deliver it for them to their, or just deliver to their email, and then they pay me directly to my Payoneer or PayPal. Okay, so I'll still be showing you guys how to receive payment on Fiverr. So alright, so now I'm just going to look for some of my clients that I actually have here. I actually have some of them here. So okay, let me check this guy. This guy Nick. This guy is from Canada. So I did a job for him. So let's see. I just load up. Let's just wait for this to load up. So I'll be showing you guys the right way for you to communicate with clients, how you should listen to them, build up a relationship with them. You get my point? So whenever a client should message you, as I've said earlier, you're going to see it under message on inbox. Okay, so this guy is from Canada, and then he messaged me on Fiverr. He said, let me just go to the top of the message. Let me just, because he said so I think this guy is into artificial space designing. Okay, what I mean by that is that he designed artificial realistic objects, like a website that it is not a website in form of people or occasions that are not real. Okay, that's basically what they do. So they have a company like that, so that's basically what they do. They design something online, the artificial aspect of it in real life. That's what they do. They design it online, so they turn it to a website so that people can have access to it in all over the world. That's basically what they do. And this guy now messaged me up that they want a brand tag guide identity for their company. That's what this guy actually told me. And then I actually want to show you our conversation. So to show you our conversation, so now let me just scroll up. So let me scroll up. Okay, I think so this thing is still loading. Let me just wait for it to load up, so we get right there. So okay guys, now you can see now when this guy messaged me up, this is what he said. My name is Nick for Shinko. Then he said this is the name of their company. We're what is it? We are Shinko.com. That's the name. I need help on the brand guidelines and template for website that I'm creating. I need someone to create a standard brand book on Canva. I mean several templates of different graphical elements in Canva that I can choose from to put on my website. I need someone that understands design, aesthetic, canvas, and web design very well, both mobile and desktop. And he said that is what he explained. Then he said, can you help me with that? So this is actually my gig that he messaged. Then I said, hi Nick, thank you for your message. Okay, so even though he was the one to message me, but I still thank him for messaging me. Okay, so then he said, hi, do you have time to help me? Can we chat now? Then I said, you need a design on several graphical elements to use on your website, right? He said, do we have that? Then I said, yes, we can chat now. Then he said, okay, it is a bit complicated. I'm Nick from the company Shinko. We are Shinko.com. So we help companies express and bring their brand to life in the virtual world. As I've said earlier, we have created the concept of X Space. This is a virtual environment where the brand can create with us a virtual environment where people can come and live different experiences online. These are some examples of the roadmap of virtual experience that we have. Like that. So he explains everything. So he said it is coin collab. So he said he wants a brand guideline identity design. I said that is what he wants. Then he said, tell me if it works. Then I said it works. I see that. So we continue chatting and chatting. So he get to the point. So he keep explaining what he wants to me. Okay, then I try to understand his perspective of what he wanted, and then I go ahead and then designed a brand guideline identity for him. Then he ended up paying me. I think I get this job. Saying he sent some graphical, sent some picture for me that I'm gonna use. Then so when we talk, so he make sure he describe everything he wanted. Then I make sure I listen to him. So he say, so you need a design that collects all the X Space templates together and perfect description for it. Then he said, I need those elements to be designed in Canva, PSD, PNG, blah blah, and that. So these are the design you want for all this from 1 to 10. Then so we continue chatting and chatting. So we chat and chat. So actually the chat is a very very long chat anyway, so I won't be going through everything, guys. So when we chat, and then so I told him okay, no problem, I will. And if your assistant actually did a mistake, if your assistant is needed during the course of the design, I will get back to you. Let them know that then he is your customer. Then I send a custom offer of $100 to him. So then he accepts it. So when you send the offer to him, I'll still show you how to send an offer. Okay, probably let me show you now. Look at this. So when you open your chat box in Fiverr with your client, now the little information about the client will be in the right hand side of your chat box. Look at it. This is the person, Nico from Shinko. About, can you see about the buyer? Can you see top buyer? Then every response is from Canada, and then his big language is English. So now this is the chat box. And why these are the list of customers that you have in your inbox. Okay, so when you just click on one, so you can chat with the person here. So when we are done bargaining, chatting and everything, then I send him custom offer. When we talk about custom offer is simply, for example, if you should list the service that you render on Fiverr for $10, okay, in your package that I've actually shown you earlier, your basic, standard and premium. Let's say you list your basic for $10, okay, and the buyer just comes to Fiverr to order some gig, and then he does not even order your gig. All he just did is that he message you directly, and then you talk back and forth, and then when you are done with all the talk and everything, then you charge him that you will be providing the work for him, like $20 or $200. So you get my point. So what you're going to do here is just to come here to create custom offer. You see this page that say create an offer. When you just click on it, create an offer, and just click on create an offer. So you select the gig that actually describe the service you want to rent out for this client. Since I have a bunch of gigs here, so I'm just going to select this one. So you're gonna put probably the person, like this person, he actually need a brand identity design. So I'll just write in this place that says describe your offer. This place over here, describe your offer. I'll just say brand identity design for Nick. You get my point? So when you're done typing that, so you can just come here that says one delivery, is it deliver a finished product or milestone delivery, just leave it as one delivery. So now here that came total offer amount. So you now put the amount of actually the amount you actually billed in. Probably is $200. You put $200. It probably is $1,000. You put $1,000 there. So I bill him 100, then so I put $100. So the number, the delivery, probably it is you're going to do the job for like 2 days or 3 days. So you come here, you select the numbers of days, probably it's 29 days, probably it's 30 days, 3 days, you put it there. Then numbers of revision, okay, you can actually leave this, is optional, it depends on you. And then you can actually give him that, okay. So I won't actually be putting that there. So all these are not really necessary, you can actually leave this. So when you are done setting, the most important aspect is the gig description, the amount, and then the numbers of the days or the delivery time. That is the most important aspect over there. So you can even uncheck this one. What this one simply means is just that the other attributes that that are available to the service you are rendering, that's basically what it's all about. But in most of the time you should leave it, okay. So you can actually do it for the client. So if the client should demand more, you can charge him more, and then you continue doing job for the client. That's basically what that means. So when you are done setting that up, so what you're going to do is just to send offer. So when you send the offer, I won't be sending this since this person I'm not actually, also we are done, I'm actually done with him, so I won't be sending the offer. So when you are done sending everything, just click on send. So when you send the offer, it will be like this. It will be, I will design a professional brand guide like this, blah blah like that. So it will be your offer included, so unlimited revision, then I put 5 days delivery. So this place that said offer accepted, when you send it, it will be like it will be accept. I'm sorry, it will be it will not be like offer accepted, okay. It will be something like pending, okay. So when the client now sees that you have sent him an offer, so he will now accept it. So when he accepts it, it will now be offer accepted, okay. That is basically what that means. So when he accepts the offer, then I thank him for, as I said, thanks for the order. So then we continue chatting and chatting and chatting and chatting and chatting. So, and then he was also explaining other things, and I was replying him, and that is that about that. So let me just view the order that we actually, this order. So if I click on this place that says view order, so let me just click on this that says view order. So it will actually show me the numbers of days. So immediately he accepted the offer and you choose 3 days, it will start reading from that moment. That 3 days will start reading from that moment, seconds, minutes, and hour. It will start reading, okay. That is basically what that means. Oh, since the offer is completed, we have actually done this. I've actually completed this offer for this guy for some time, but I'll actually be showing you that in another module, how to deliver your order the right way and everything. So I'll be showing you that. So that is basically how you communicate with the client, okay. So when they message you, make sure you thank them for messaging you. You get my point? So let them know the service that you have done before, your project that you have actually done before. You can actually send it to them that this is the project you have done before, and then they will be very, very happy with that. So let me see if I actually have another client here. Of course I have a lot of them, but this one needs test idea. This person too, I think I do like $5 for this person, but let me check. Mistake ideas. Okay, supposedly from the United States. So and the person just offered $5 gigs. They said I need a website, so I decided. So you see, there are some clients that are just crazy. So they actually want to know probably you are good at what you do, so they just order your gift for a little, like a lowest budget. Like imagine this person asking me to design graphic website for $5. Imagine that. But I did it for the person, and I said that is your offer, send your website, blah blah. So that is just that all about that. So it was not even complicated. That is the offer, send me your website details and blah blah. I said okay. So I just send him an offer, then he accepts it. Let me see if I can view this offer. But I'll actually be showing you all that in another module. me see that. Okay, don't worry, I'll be showing you that in another mode. So make sure you thank your client whenever they actually message you, and then don't think that when a client message you, don't think that this all client that message you that will give you the job. No, they won't. Like this person here, this person actually messaged me, but he did not give me the job. Probably you have seen another person. He said, hello, I would like to work with you on the brand I recently started. I'm looking to have my brand identity established and positioned correctly for my target audience. Is this something you can help with? And I said, hi, thanks for your message. So make sure you always thank them for their message. Yes, I can help with that. Which niche is your brand focusing on? Let's start it. Let's discuss then. So I don't have a specified niche yet, so I'm looking to get lifestyle or athleisure wearing clothing. So this person deal with clothes, so he's in the clothing niche. So and I say, all right, I think that should be in the cloth niche, right? So you see, let me know how you want your brand to look like. I mean your perspective about the branding. Then I said, oh, since you have no idea, and make sure you, that's why I say communication skills is part of it. Then on the basis of what he told me, that was what I was actually using to explain, or that was what I was actually using to tell him what need to do and everything. He said, look at this, he said, I don't have a specific niche yet, but I am looking to target lifestyle or athleisure wear clothing. Now that shows me that this person right here is into wears, is into clothing wears, and then is into lifestyle and athleisure wears, okay, into sports, athletics and all that. And then look at here. So and I said, all right, I think that should be in the clothing niche, right? So I put a question. I said, let me know how you want your branding to look like. I mean your perspective about the branding. Then I said, okay, since you have not decided yet about the specific niche, you can come up with a name that will go in line with the niche, since it will revolve around clothing niche. But you okay, I think I did a mistake here, but you have to be careful because this will really be the name of the brand, except you decided to change it in the long run. Okay, so and it says, so originally when I started it was supposed to be the active wear, but now I want to develop something for long time, and I want to establish lifestyle athleisure wears with a concrete niche. And when we say concrete niche simply means like a supermarket, where its niche can actually be placed, its wares and everything. So we can get and design all this. So I want my brand to have a clear identity which separates me from everyone else. So currently the name we have chosen is Unbeatable. So he finally tell me the name of the brand, so that really give me an extra. So I say, okay, that is right. Since the name is Unbeatable, I choose the problem. Okay, I choose the problem is served. Then I say, now in time of the branding procedure, so the objective is to create a new visual identity for your company, Unbeatable. So make up of a new logo and visual branding identity element. So the design will be simple, concise and effective. So it will represent your company value both internally and externally. So why setting you apart from your competitors? So your new logo and supporting brand elements will be designed in such a way that they can be used across a wide range of media while maintaining the integrity of your brand no matter the content. So my best recommendation for your wears is logo design. And so we have logo design, branding, byline, typography, supporting graphical elements, color specification, brand color palette, logo file. So we have also a logo file will be supplied in various formats. That's what. So guys, that is that about that. So and then the last one I actually tell them, logo design can have a logo supply. So that's actually the right way in which you will communicate with clients. So don't whenever you see a client, make sure you message them, like thank them for messaging you. Okay, try to understand their perspective in which they are trying to communicate with you. You get my point? So that will actually position you to understand what they want, so that will make you to know what to tell them. Okay, because there are some clients, when they see that this person does not even know what I'm talking about, so they don't have any option than just to leave you. You will just see that they will not even chat you again. So that is basically how you communicate with clients. So make sure you gain their trust. Okay, so let them be pleased with you. You get my point? So and then this person, I actually send him a proposal. Okay, I describe all his work should I open this up? Okay, let's see. Let me just download it and show you guys. Okay, so I actually make a proposal for his brand. Okay, so I actually describe a lot of things that he will be need that I'll be doing for him and everything. So make sure that they gain your trust. Look at this. Look at the brand identity for a new startup company on BT. That's the name of his brand. Then prepare by Intuitive 7. That's the name of my account on Fiverr. And then prepare for Fiverr buyers. Okay, so I actually explain a lot of things. Intuitive 7 is a young, vibrant and relatively agents who offer its client a full spectrum of public. So you have to draft a lot of things. Look at it. I draft a lot of them. I drafted logo design, the website and everything. So I draft it for the client. So you can just probably, I will link this in the tutorial. Sorry, I will link this with this course so you guys can see how I actually draft everything, and then you guys can actually make use of it. Probably if you want to draft a proposal for your clients. So I actually include this as a bonus in the under the bonus section. Okay, guys. That is that all about that. So I'll actually be giving this out later on. So that is actually the way you communicate with clients the right way, guys. So I'll actually be showing you another trick and the way and other things, the basic things you need to know on Fiverr in the next module. Thank you very much, guys, and stay blessed and keep hustling strategically. Bye now.